Hi, my name is Kronawittleithner. I'm Managing Director of Trotec Laser here in Australia. We are here at the Visual Impact in Sydney presenting our new laser cutters and laser engravers. This year for the first time targeted towards the wide format printing industry. We've got a brand new product, a brand new finishing system where we combine the qualities and the benefits of laser cutting with a camera system that allows printers, especially the ones that have UV printing capabilities and print directly on substrates such as acrylics, to perfectly cut their items individually to shape. If I walk you through the actual products we have, this one is called Speedy 500. It's a mid-sized laser engraving and cutting system, and it is fitted this year for the first time with a camera system. What we're basically trying to achieve is that we're turning an issue that conventional cutting machines such as CNC cutters have, especially on acrylics, into a profitable product for the printing companies. Basically, what it does is you combine the perfect edges that you can get and the intricacy you can get with a laser cutter onto products that are usually done with or in the printing industry. So this particular item here is just a basic print done on 3mm, in this case clear acrylics, with a UV printer, overprinted with white at the end for better contrast. On the actual material, on a sheet material, we have the registration marks on it. The camera picks up the mark and cuts this piece of acrylic out to size in a quality and intricacy that is impossible to achieve with a CNC cutter. So that's one new thing. We've got a lot of interest on that already, simply because it's another way to finish off a product, and it's another way to differentiate a printing company from its many competitors in the market. The iCut camera system itself is not unique. It's been around on CNC machines for a very long time. It's been around on reasonably sized laser engravers and cutters like this Speedy 500 as well. But what's absolutely new and unique in the industry is that we put the same type of system onto a machine that is smaller, more affordable, and more suited to what printing companies in a lot of cases want to do on paper. High quality paper products with very intricate shapes or designs, such as a sample as this, can now be done on a laser cutter for small runs and short runs in small batches in a very simple and easy way. Again, utilizing the laser with the camera system on paper, touch-free operations, printed registration marks on the paper. The camera picks up the registration marks, the laser cuts those shapes perfectly on the print, no overprint needed, and the intricacy available that can only be done on the laser cutter. As I said, this is unique on this size, 700 by 400 bed size, with the camera system, and it's for the wide. It's a new way for the wide format industry to differentiate itself. Of our stand, we have here the Rayjet entry-level laser engraver and cutter. We call it just plug and ray because it's really simple to use. It's for all of those that want to put the toes in the water with laser engraving and cutting. Does exactly the same jobs as the bigger machines on a smaller bed, and is the perfect way to get into the market. In addition to just, in this case, there are 3 ways even to own this machine besides buying it or purchasing it outright. We have a rental system or a rent-to-buy system, and we have a pay-as-you-go system, which basically takes out the risk of getting into the market and making money with those machines. All of the machines are sitting on filtration systems, which allow operations in any sort of confined spaces, in offices, even at home, in the backyard, in the shed, or of course in industrial environments. The second, in this case even a world introduction of a machine, is this Speedy 300 Flex. It is the same platform size as the one that we just saw before, but what's absolutely unique is this laser engraver can work on any material, on all materials that are known to mankind and working on lasers, so on all timbers, on all plastics, on glass, on rubber, on fabrics, and also on all metals. It basically combines the technologies of two different laser machines, laser systems in one. We call it Flex because it's absolute flexible, and the old discussion in the engraving industry, do I want to buy a machine that is very versatile and can do a lot of materials, or do I want to get a machine that can do work on metals, is gone. This machine can do both. It can do both in one, and this question is part of the history. Also, of course, this machine can be fitted with a camera system in case you're interested in that part as well. That's in a nutshell what Trotec Laser is presenting at this year's Visual Impact in Sydney. If you want to have any further information, log on to our website. It's www.troteclaser.com.au. All the products, more detailed information are on there. Thanks very much for watching, and have a good day.